So this week, I've already gone to the grocery store. Once again, I seem to be doing that on Saturdays, I guess. I think I went Saturday. So I don't need to get anything from the store. So this week, I did put the meatballs. So I found, I've never had this Italian sausage, where I buy Sammy's turkey in the frozen section. It's $1.98. Well, they also have the Italian sausage, and I have to be careful not to buy the Italian sausage when I'm trying to get turkey. But maybe it's Italian turkey sausage. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway, it was on sale. I picked one up, and I saw the price, and it was $1.50 for a pound. So I picked it up. I'm like, I'm going to try it for $1.50. Heck yeah. So I'm going to make some meatballs out of that. And since my last salad went bad, bought me some more salad. So I'm going to have just meatballs and pasta sauce and salad. And Tuesday is Cook With Me. Tell me in the comments below, number one, if you're watching the Cook With Me on Tuesday night, it's a live stream. And if you want to know ahead of time on Meal Planning Monday what I'm cooking on Tuesday. I'm trying to decide if I should announce it prior to Tuesday. I had one person ask to let them know the ingredients so they could really cook along with me. So what do y'all think? Put that down below in the comments. So I'll give you a hint. Pasta sauce is involved here too. So I'm not going to open a big jar of pasta sauce. And I'm not making my pasta sauce this week. So it's going to go half here and half here. All right. Wednesday. So I went to Taco Bell the other day. Y'all might have seen that video. No, it won't be out yet until after this one. Anyway, the only thing I really like from Taco Bell, I like a lot of things from Taco Bell. I like when they used to have the enchilada, I used to really love that. I do have a video, I think, of that on my channel. I'll link it up here. And the Mexican pizza. What else? The burrito supreme. But if I'm going to go there and just get one burrito, I usually get this beefy 5-layer burrito. And so I'm going to make it. It's a lot of ingredients. So if you only want one, yeah, it's probably cheaper to go buy it. Other than, I'll link the price, what it is in our local Taco Bell here. I did not get that the other day because I was like, oh, that's expensive. I got a bean burrito. But, so I wanted to go ahead and make this. And we'll probably have enough ingredients that you might see it on next week's meal plan too. So, because I'll have the cheese sauce still. I'll probably have some sour cream left over. And the guacamole I probably won't have left over. I think guacamole goes on it. Anyway. And then the next night, so I'll defrost. Oh, I need ground beef too. This is stuff I need to get out of my freezer. So tacos, I'm going to use half of the ground beef on the burritos, and then the next night cook tacos. That'll already be cooked. I'll go ahead and cook it all together. No, I'm not, because I've watched how the video by Dollar Tree Dinners, and she used to work at Taco Bell, so I'm going to use her recipe, and she actually shows how to make their ground beef, how fine it is. She actually boils the meat first, so I'm not going to do that for the tacos. So I'll just use half and make the Taco Bell meat, and then make regular tacos. So Here it's just corn tortillas, which I have, tomatoes, and the rest of that guacamole. So yeah, I'm not going to have any guacamole left over. I have a pork shoulder in the freezer I need to pull out. It's been in there a while, so I need to get that in rotation. So I'm going to have kind of a pork roast type meal with potatoes and carrots with some gravy, so that'll be good. And then Saturday, I'm just going to plan on leftovers because mostly this will have leftover. And then on Sunday, I'm going to plan one eat out. Probably might be Sunday. Just because I've been cooking a lot and I want a break. I want to go get something out to eat. Haven't been to, which they're not open on Saturday or Sunday, La Fonda, so might have to move it around. But anyway, this is just a easy way for me to think about what I have in my pantry, what few things I need to buy, and plan it, and also plan my days kind of so I'm not pulling something out of the freezer and then not cooking it for 3 or 4 days and then like, I gotta cook it. So anyway, just planning it keeps it all straight in my head, kind of what I need to cook and what I need to use up. Anyway, let me know in the comments below about the cook with me. Do you want to know ahead of time, or do you like to be surprised on Tuesday during lives? And if you're watching the live stream or not, put that in the comments below too. I'll see y'all in the next video.